Hello and welcome to Slow English Daily. In this video, you will practice an English conversation at a restaurant between a waiter and customer. Speak slowly, listen carefully, and repeat the sentences after me. Let's begin. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Thank you. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Thank you very much. Here is the menu. Here is the menu. Thank you. I would like to see the menu. I would like to see the menu. Scene number 2. Ordering food. What would you like to order? What would you like to order? I would like chicken and rice. I would like chicken and rice. Would you like a drink? Yes, I would like water. Yes, I would like water. Anything else? No, that's all. Okay, your food will be ready soon. Your food will be ready soon. Thank you. Scene number 3. During the meal. How's your food? How is your food? It's very delicious. It is very delicious. I'm glad you like it. I am glad you like it. The food is very good. The food is very good. Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? No, thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Scene number 4. Paying the bill. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Sure. Here is your bill. How much is it? How much is it? It is $20. It is $20. Here is the payment. Here is the payment. Thank you very much. The service was excellent. The service was excellent. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Great job. Now you know how to speak English at a restaurant. Practice these sentences every day and subscribe to Slow English Daily for more slow and easy English lessons. Thank you and keep learning.